I'm gonna run across quick.
Okay. Wipers on real slow.
Can you hold my camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get the wipers here in 2 seconds. Seatbelt. Oh my god. Dude. Okay, take a breath.
Just be careful. Take a breath.
Yep, take a breath. We're good. Dude, absolutely the best tour ever.
Yeah.
Never been this close.
Yeah,
before.
buddy. Just inch close.
Yep.
It's moving northeast.
I'm gonna stop right at the stop sign.
Okay.
That's gets this little treat there, and I don't want it to. Oh, good there. I see that. Shut up.
RFD coming around.
Yep.
Let's get out quick and take a couple pictures. Woo, RFD.
Yep.
Big time.
I'll let you go for it.
I ain't getting out.
Yeah, no.
Oh my God.
Look at my camera going.
What a tour. Oh man, we should get up there.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I'll move up.
Take a
Maybe
few
let it
photos.
pass.
No, let's get up there on the road.
Yeah.
As it's crossing the road.
Yeah.
This road go through?
Yeah, let's find that out.
I can't
Let's
believe
find
I've
that out
done.
first before we do anything.
Yeah, it does.
Does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Clear right?
Go clear right. Go ahead of these guys.
Okay.
Keep going.
All right. Letting you do
You
video
think?
and photos because I'm gonna focus on